Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today we are going to learn about propagation of sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which requires a medium to travel. What is propagation of sound? Propagation of sound means when sound travels in a medium, the sound produced is known as propagation of sound. Next up we have how sound is produced. As we all know that sound is produced by vibrating of object. The matter or substance through which sound is travel or transmitted is called a medium. In common, there are three types of medium that are air, water, and steel. Next up, we have how sound travels through a medium. First of all, a particle of medium in contact with the vibrating object is first displaced from its equilibrium position. It means that when the sound travels, the disturbances created displaces the particles from their position of rest. Next, it then exerts a force on the adjacent particles. Then it exerts the force on the particles which are at rest, as a result of which the adjacent particles get displaced from its position of rest. So it means that when this phenomena happens, the particles which are at the adjacent particles, which are at rest, gets displaced from the position of their rest. Next up, how sound travels. The disturbances created by a source of sound in the medium travels through the medium, not the particles of the medium. Means that the disturbances which is created by the sound waves inside the medium travels through the medium and not the particles of the medium. The particles of the medium do not move forward themselves, but the disturbances is carried forward. It means that the particles do not move themselves forward, but the disturbances which is created by vibrating of particles carries them forward. Next up, as we all know that air is the most common medium through which sound travels. So when a vibrating object moves forward, it pushes and compresses the air in front of it, creating a region of high pressure. This region is called compression. As we can see that here the area of sorry, as we can see that here the area of high pressure is created, and this part is known as compression. Next up, we have when this compression starts to move away from the vibrating particle, it creates the area of low pressure known as rarefaction. As the object moves to back and forth rapidly, a series of compression and rarefaction is created in the air, which allows us to hear the sound created. Thank you everyone for being with me and listening to me patiently.